The new Hotwheels Elite 64 Scania 770S is an amazing hauler. There is only one fatal flaw that Mattel forgot about, and that is that there's parking stops in the front and the rear, but there's no parking stops for this middle parking area. And thankfully, the aftermarket DIY community has come to the rescue with a 3D printed piece. This is from awomanshemi. She has an eBay store, so check her out. And this is a modification for the Elite 64 Freightliner, and I'm hoping it's going to work with the Scania. And they are definitely available. She has sold 231 of these parking stops. They are in gray. So I purchased one to see how it would do. This is the parking stop, and I think it just clips on. There's a clip here, and it literally clips on. Or it sets in between there. Okay, so now it stops the car there, which theoretically should give you enough room to place two cars. Okay, I see what she did. All right, that works. I don't know if there's any better places to put it or not. Definitely seems to work. Seems to solve the issue for sure. So that's good. Let's see if what happens if we place it here. You could place it multiple different ways. Obviously this is a little counterintuitive, but for certain cars that would work also. So you could do that as well, and that could definitely work. But again, this is how she put it, like that. So anyways, check out her eBay store. It is awomanshemi. She also has some other 3D printed pieces as well. She has exhaust pipes for the Freightliner and rally headlights for the Porsche Carrera, 3D printed tonneau covers for this '83 Chevy Silverado. It's a huge oversight from Mattel. It's like, you know, it wouldn't have been that hard to put another little nub there and it would have solved the issue, and that would have been good. To be honest, you might need one down here as well. Possibly, I don't know. But that seems to work pretty darn well.